Be wise with that size. With 8 width options, our straps fit nearly any size watch. But you must have the right size. To find it, measure the space between the 2 points on your watch face where the strap connects. That width is your size. See our handy illustration, and the list of smartwatch widths in the product description below, helpful for Fossil, LG, Pebble, Nokia, Withings, and more. You can also check directly with your watch manufacturer's website for a specific size. A new look and no time to brandish that band. To attach it, just pop out your original watch spring bars, then slide the built-in quick release lever on our silicone strap to pop it in. Once you go quick release, there are no tools or engineering degree required. Like your own pit crew, you can change straps in seconds flat. And with a wide array of stylish tones, color coordinating possibilities abound. Why stick to one shade when swapping has never been simpler? Softest strap ever. These babies are the smoothest, softest silicone straps on the market. Honestly, just try one on for yourself. The unparalleled comfort of our silicone watch straps is what makes them one of the most popular items in our lineup. And while they feel super soft, they still look pretty darn sharp. So, while everyone else is checking out that handsome new watch strap, you'll hardly notice it's there. Flexible fit Archer watch straps. Silicone quick release straps will fit wrists from about 5.5 to about 8 around, depending on strap width and watch size. This spectrum comfortably covers